Alright, a little car show in town here. Doing it for the honor guard. We're at Graceland's funeral home, right out here in the open field. First time we ever had it, pretty good turnout. Raising money for the honor guard. It's always a good thing.
How you doing?
Pretty good, how you doing?
Okay. Show of the year.
Yeah.
Couldn't live there.
I've done the
I gotta have 4 seasons. I see you. Have a good one. I gotta look at this thing here. Bob Dylan? Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's the ideal transmission to get, really.
Yeah.
It's got one of the best